Now we're talking about the NitroBlast particles, and this is great because you can make your break style you want. So let's, for example, let's say I go to the sphere, and I put one thing particles like this, and here in the list object, let's put just a cube, okay? And now you can see the green, and now if I make this smaller, you can see actually this very small yellow sphere, and this is the sphere where it's break. So if I make now fracture, you can see how it looks like. Okay, let's make this a ground, static. So when you hit play, you can see how it looks like, and I have break like this. And here you can put any object you like, spline and mesh. So now another great option here we have. You see when you put the object, you have here an option tag, and here actually you can change how you like. The title mode is very interesting because here you can make, for example, break like a cube. So now this sphere, I break like a cube, and I can make this cube smaller, like this, and a fracture. And now you can see I have break this sphere like a cube. Another option here is the lever. In this case, we don't have lever. This is working with splines. And now in the mode. So now mode is vertex, and I want to make some other object here just to see. Let's make a sphere. Okay. So here you can see the vertex is going to make a particle to every vertex. There is also edge, polygon, surface, and volume. And you can change here the count for the volume and the surface. And here actually you can put as many objects you like. Maybe I want another sphere here, and maybe I want another sphere here. You can put here as many objects you like. If I hit fraction now, okay, it's taking time because I have a lot now object. I make particles, so this will be a lot pieces. Again, and here how it looks like. Now it'll be slow because I have a lot piece here. Okay, so here actually you can control any object you like. Okay, let's put here, for example, a platonic. Okay, let's put, for example, a sphere. Let's put also cube. Okay, something like this. Just break to see how it looks like this. Okay, so if I play, okay, you can see how it looks like. Okay, so another interesting option here, actually, okay, let's go to the sphere. You can use here a MoGraph effects. For example, I can go here in MoGraph, and I want to use a random, and I can put here my random I want to use. So now you can see this is particles now is random. So if I put here this here, actually I can change how I want to be, and I can make my style break some more interesting. Okay, something like this. And this is very useful if you use spline, you have a straight line, and you want to use little random. And I want to show you this. So let's make here a cube. Okay, like this, and I go here and I draw just a spline. And now I go and I make a particle object. I put the cube and I use the spline like this. And here I can use a count. Also in the spline I'm going to use this is uniform. And if I break now this, see what happened. You can see I have this little strange. If I go more randomized to have a nice here look, I can do this. And I can go here and I use just a random here effects, just to give it a little more random effect. Okay, like this. And here in random I need to be just a little smaller. Okay, I don't want to use Z, I want to use only X. Okay, something like this. And now if I break this, actually we can see nice break here. You can see how it looks like. And also I can put more. So let's see, let's put more here. Okay, and now let's brake again. Okay, I need to select this here to brake, because now I brake like 200 pieces. Okay, and now actually you can see here I have more interesting brake here, and I have the line, this nice look. And also you can put a spline, let's say for example a star. Okay, like this. Let's select the spline to something like this. So now if I break this, you can see this spline how it looks like. And another thing, also you can use here title mode. Okay, so this is the title. So if I break now, you can see actually I have this break like a title. And this is how actually it's working. It's very easy. You can put splines, you can say step, even also here in Vectrex, everything you like, and you have the results you like, just like this. Okay, and here how it looks like the results. And another I want to show you here is, okay, let's make here another cube here. Let's make this just bigger, just like this. Okay, and now I want to open a theme particle for the content browser, and here I want to use emitter and I want to use ring. Okay, and now let's rotate this ring just like this. Okay, so if you have to play, okay, let's go here. Okay, okay, like this. Okay, and now you can see the particles. If I want now to break this like the theme particles I have created, just like this is to do very easy. You can make a particle group like this, and here you go to simulation, theme particles, particle geometry, and you put here the particle geometry inside. And in the particle geometry you put the particle group you would like. So in this case I want all. And now actually I can break this with this theme particle. But before you do this, you need to uncheck the refresh, because if you don't uncheck, it restarts your theme particles. Now actually you can see how it looks like. And this gives us some interesting break look. So if I go here and I go to theme particles and I get a shoot and I play again, you can see how it looks like. Okay, let's say about here. If I keep fracture, okay, I need to select the cube here. You can see how the break looks like. Okay, I need to click also the NitroBlast particle, so it's recognized. I want to break like this. And now actually we see very small pieces in here. Okay, and if I go back, actually you can see very small pieces here. And this is how it's working. Now in case let's go back and I hit play again. Okay, let's break this just two pieces. Okay, just to have okay. And now I check the refresh, see what happened. You see nothing happened because the particles is removed. So you need to make sure when you use theme particles and you want to break, make uncheck the refresh, and after that you can break fine. Okay, and you can see how it looks like. So this is the tutorial for the NitroBlast version 2. Thank you for watching all these videos.